Today I'm going to teach you the lesson Water, Oh Water. By reading the name of the lesson, can you guess the theme of it? Yes, the theme is about water, and we all know about water and how to use it in real life. But in this lesson, we are going to learn more about the water, like where the water comes from and the states of water, everything. So here it is our first page of the lesson, and we have a poem here. So let us start with the first stanza. I'll wash my face with the water, said Munna to his Nani. So here we have two characters in the poem. One is Munna, the boy, and another one is Nani. Nani means grandmother in Hindi. Here the boy said, Grandma, I am going to wash my face with the water. So after hearing these lines, the grandmother started telling about the water, like a poem. So if you want to know, we have to go for the next stanza. I'll read the next stanza for you. We all quench our thirst with water. So here, quench means to satisfy the feeling of thirst by drinking a liquid. So the liquid can be a juice, a soup, or drinks. It can be anything, but which contain water. And we are all alive because of water. Without the water, no living being can live. If we are not drinking water for some days, we will die. We are all alive because of water. Water has been with us for ages. We have water in the planet before the human being exists. So our ancients used the water, and we too using the water. In future also we need water. So we have to save and preserve the water for the future generations. And the next line. Its story can fill so many pages. Sometimes it's dew. Can you see the picture? Yes, beautiful, isn't it? The water can be in liquid state also. Somewhere it's snow. So by this line we can come to know that the water can be in the solid state too. Look at the picture, looking like ice creams, but we can't eat it. Then the next line, steam is also water, as you know. So steam means just like the water vapors. If we cook something like boiling water, means we can identify some water drops on it, right? So that is what a water vapor. And steam is considered the gaseous state of water. And water has forms so many. That is what says my Nani. So what the Nani is saying here? The Nani said water can be in three states. One is in liquid like juice, soup, everything. And another one is in solid like ice cube and ice creams. And the third one can be in the gaseous state like a vapors, water vapors. Then the next line. The river flow. Of course the river flow, because even if we pour the water on the ground, the water will goes like a river. Then the waterfalls sing. It sounds funny, right? Can the waterfall sing? Yes. When the water is falling down, it makes a beautiful sound. That is what here they mention waterfalls sing. And the water swells in lakes and spring. So what is lakes? Lakes is nothing. A large area of water which is surrounded by the land is known as lakes. And water comes from sometimes from the spring. So what is spring water? Spring means the water flows out naturally from the surfaces. Actually, we have two springs. One is normal spring and another one is hot spring. So from this, we come to know we can get water from the river and waterfalls and from the lakes and spring. So then it is our last stanza. Life on earth it has brought. So as I said before, it has brought lives, especially for the living beings. Without the water fields, we can't get out the food. So that's what they have mentioned, watered fields and life they got. Just imagine, without the water fields, we cannot make food. How can we eat chapati and idlis? Then the next line, but when the water breaks in flood, So flood means overflow of the large amount of water. So the large amount of water which is beyond the normal limit, it's flowing means we could find that is a flood. So can you see the picture? If the water is breaks and flood, definitely great misfortune will occur. So that is what they have given. When the water breaks and floods, great misfortune is always work. That's all the poem. And actually this poem has written in Hindi, but we have a translated poem in English. Let us recall the knowledge now. The water can be in three states. One is solid, another one is liquid, and third one is gaseous. And we get water from the sources, like natural sources of lakes, river, waterfalls, and spring. Hope you all understand. Thank you.